guys, welcome to Shell's Color Glue. Today we're making an experiment with eggs, salt, mussels, and some water. Can you guys guess what I am gonna do? Tiny Dead Sea. First, we need water into the glass. Let's open water. Turn it up. And first, add water. And eggy. Put it in. Don't let it smash me. Really don't. Phew! Look just what happened to the egg. It sinked it in the water. Now we're gonna do another one. Some water. Now, it just splashed into this one. And this sink. Now, what we are gonna do is add salt in this one. Whoa! Then you just mix it, guys. This is how tiny Dead Sea looks like. Oh yeah! Mix. Whoa. Oh. That's nothing. It's gonna float more. And more salt. More salty. You know, guys, it's very easy. It's water and egg and salt. You need 3 things for this. I know just something crazy happened to the egg. It floats in the salt water. Guys, do you know why it floats? The liquid applies upward force on the object. By adding salt to the water, the upward force increase. That's why it floats. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.